How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today we're going to be taking a look at another gaming desktop. This one is by HP. This is their HP Pavilion gaming desktop computer. So if you guys go on to enjoy this overview of this gaming PC, also leave a comment down below what you think about this. And leave any suggestions on what computers you want me to check out in the future, because I'm always interested to hear what you guys have to suggest. Love looking at computers. So let's hop right into the video and smash that like button. So yeah, HP, I didn't really know that they even made gaming PCs till a couple of years back. And this model is pretty popular on Amazon. I mean, the reviews are not the greatest. It's got 3.8 out of 5 stars, and I think I know why that is. And I'll be going over that in this video. There's a couple flaws with this laptop that really need to be addressed, and it's kind of annoying, and I really wish PC manufacturers would fix this and put more emphasis on this. Overall, I like the look of the PC. I'm a huge sucker for black and like fluorescent green. So the fact that it looks like this, like, looks really clean. Got like sort of, I don't know if that's metal or just brushed plastic, but it looks really nice. Here's the I/O on the back, plenty of I/O. I don't think you'll have any issues there. On the front, there is a combo jack. Now, I don't know if that's just for headphones or it's a combo jack, because there is actually a microphone plug-in in the back. So I might have to check the description on that. It looks like USB Type-C, USB-A, SD card reader right there, I think. Headphone jack, and then the power button, and here's the disc tray. That's what it looks like from the side, the back, and the front. Here's the keyboard. Not a gaming-looking keyboard, which is kind of surprising in my opinion. This looks like more of a professional work desktop rather than a gaming PC, yet they market it as a gaming PC. Kind of strange, but maybe if you just don't want flashy RGBs, you could go with this option. We have i5 9400F, GTX 1660 Ti, so great graphics card. This is one of the issues I have with the computer, 8 gigabytes of RAM. That should be definitely 16 gigs. I'm paying $846. We can just round that up to $850. Free shipping though, but the tax on this is probably going to be ludicrous. So you're paying that much money, they can't give you 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's unacceptable, HP. You need to change that. 256 gig SSD. Now, usually, like, you guys know where I stand on this. It's like, I want an SSD, but I also want a lot of storage. If I'm paying $850 roughly, you best be giving me a lot of storage, and some of that storage should be an SSD. I mean, you could say, oh, Life Made Easy, why don't you just go buy an external hard drive? But look at the price on this. You really want to be going out spending another $70, $80 on an external hard drive, or maybe an internal hard drive that you can install? That's just extra work, and I don't think that's worth the energy, and there's a lot of opportunity costs that come with that. So this should have been either 120 gigabyte SSD or a 256 gigabyte SSD with a terabyte or 2 terabyte hard drive for $850. Those components are not the most expensive, and I know that HP could have put those in there, but I don't know, maybe just the price of this is just like the maximum it's been for a long time. Maybe it's dropped in price. Maybe that would change my opinion on it, but not right now. I mean, to me, that's unacceptable. So, I mean, for the most part, and as you can see here, what is this? Look at this. Frequently bought together. I was thinking the word. 8 gigabytes of single DDR4 RAM for $34. You're telling me HP couldn't just put that in here? Because I'm guessing it's easy to install. Most desktops are easy to upgrade and install new stuff, but like, come on, HP. It's like if you want to bump up, oh man, this is giving me a worse impression. You jump up to their like over $1,000 model, $1,100 model. You're getting 16 gigabytes of RAM, but you're getting an i5. That's unacceptable. 2.9 gigahertz. I have a feeling what they did here was invested so much in the 1660 Ti when I think they could have just put the normal 1660 in here and upgraded all the other components, because I'm guessing there's a big price difference here. 6-core processor. Here are the dimensions. Yep, nothing too crazy. I just really wish they would change that. 802.11 Wi-Fi, great. Here are the dimensions. DDR4 RAM, I'm guessing. mean, no issues there. If I could, why are people giving it a 1 star? Don't buy this junk. Becomes a brick after flying. I don't usually listen to those like update reviews that are like, oh, I updated to the software or version of Windows and just ruined my computer. That's I don't listen to that. With better DVD RAM than this thing. Yeah, I have a feeling a lot of people complained about the RAM on this, and I wish they fixed it. They also have an AMD Ryzen 5 version, but that's $899. But if we look over at this one, it swaps the issues. It's now gone from, this is the polar opposite of what I look for or what I dislike. Originally they had a 256 gig SSD, and on this one they just slap a terabyte hard drive. It's like, well, that's great, but I'm guessing it's 72 RPM, and it's just going to slow your computer down. It's a lot of storage, but you need an SSD. I think all computers need SSDs these days. I don't care if they're small, but give me like something I can install Windows on to make everything faster. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the webcams finally dropping down in price. This was ridiculous a little while ago, where the webcam demand was so high. It seems to have stabled now, but yeah, these used to be like over $150, complete racket. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the College Made Easy podcast link below if you want help as a student. You can subscribe to my gaming channel down below as well, Gaming Made Easy. If you guys want to watch me live stream and just play a couple video games on Xbox. So I will see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy. Peace out.